Hi guys, welcome back to Learning with Dez. Today, we will learn about the multiples of 5 using nickels. Let's count and multiply together. 1 nickel is worth 5 cents. That's the same as saying 1 times 5 equals 5. So, that means 2 nickels are worth 10 cents. And that's 2 times 5, which equals 10. 3 nickels are worth 15 cents. That's 3 times 5, which equals 15. 4 nickels are worth 20 cents. That's 4 times 5, which equals 20. 5 nickels are worth 25 cents. That's 5 times 5, which equals 25. 6 nickels are worth 30 cents. That's 6 times 5, which equals 30. 7 nickels equals 35 cents. That's 7 times 5, which equals 35. 8 nickels are worth 40 cents. That's 8 times 5, which equals 40. See how it works? Each time we add a nickel, we multiply by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, or 1 times 5, 2 times 5, 3 times 5, 4 times 5, or 5 times 5. If I have 10 nickels, that's 10 times 5, which equals 50 cents. So, when you're counting by 5s, just think of nickels. Skip count 5, 10, 15, 20, and multiply at the same time. That's money, math, magic. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time on Learning with Dez.